From day one on site, our construction managers ensure that everything runs smoothly.
Ever felt overwhelmed by the complexities of property development? From site acquisition to project management, the stakes are high and one mistake can cost you thousands. But don't worry, we've got the experts to guide you every step of the way. Navigating property development requires both vision and precision. At TWMH Developments, we understand that every stage of the process needs expert attention to detail. Let's walk you through how our experts make each step seamless, ensuring that your investment is managed with care and professionalism. Finding the right site is the foundation of any successful development. Our team of experts assess potential sites for feasibility, market demand and profitability. We don't just look at the land, we envisage the future. Once we have the site, the planning process begins. Our architects and consultants ensure that every design is both compliant with regulations and sustainable for the future. We focus on creating spaces that are functional, beautiful and environmentally conscious. Property development is a significant financial commitment, whether through traditional financing or attracting investors. Our experts ensure that every financial decision is sound and supports the overall vision.
With planning in place, it's time to build. From day one on site, our construction managers ensure that everything runs smoothly, from health and safety to staying on budget. We manage the details so you don't have to.
Once the project is complete, we ensure a smooth handover. Quality checks, finishing touches and client satisfaction are our priorities. Our relationship with you doesn't end when the project does. We're here for aftercare and future projects too. Ready to make your property development vision a reality? Partner with the experts at TWMH Developments. Visit our website at twmhdevelopments.com and let's start building your future together.